and welcome back to season 2 of Adventures in Cooking with me, Crazy Marcus. Another great episode today. Before I do forget, I would love to give a very big shout out to Mick and Kirsty. We met down on Avenida de Mediterraneo today. Pleasure to see you guys. And also a shout out to any other fans we met today. Typical us, we don't ask people what their names are. Anyway, let's get on with the video. Today we are cooking beef in a red wine sauce.
It's supposed to feel.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel?
Okay, so first off, you can have it with anything you want. We've got some spuds and carrots, potatoes and carrots for you guys who don't know what I'm on about. Ingredients needed, we've got onions, or you can do it with other stuff, fancier onions. For the hell of me, I can't remember what they're called. We've got some very finely cooked garlic as well, so it isn't too garlicky. Of course, some beef as well, which I will be cutting into smaller pieces, mushrooms, and some red wine as well. Okay guys, I'm going to wash my hands, then cut up the meat. See you in a minute. Okay then, just finishing off the last couple of bits of meat now. Straight into the pot it goes. Then basically we're going to brown off the meat. We have put a bit of oil in the pot just to cook it up. Then when it does start sticking, I'll add the wine in. Now let's hope I can put the gas on correctly this time. Holy. Okay. Okay, so you've got to keep on stirring the meat, moving it round. Make sure it don't stick, which it's already doing a bit. So I've quickly scooped the onions in. Then I'm going to keep moving everything about. Add my garlic in. Sorry there guys, going a bit cumbered. Looks nice and smells nice. They say hot, but leave the wine a bit. They are saying half a glass of wine, but You know us, guys. We don't measure in glasses. We just tip the carton in till we think it's enough. As you can see, the meat is starting to go brown a bit. Okay guys, as you can see, the meat is starting to cook now. I think it's time to add the wine. And it's baking. Oh God. Okay, I think that should be enough. Maybe a bit more. Yeah, that's enough. As you can see, it's went all over the work surface. But I mean, I ask you this, guys, if you really cooked a good meal if you haven't made a mess. Smells nice, guys. Oh, and I just burnt myself on the pot and flicked a bit of onion at me cameraman. What a good chef I am. Going to add in the mushrooms. Then basically just push that down to the bottom, make sure they cook up as well. Probably could have done with cutting the mushrooms up a bit, but yeah, they're already in the pot now, so too late. Okay guys, everything is finally done. Sorry if I seem a bit out of it today, I am dead tired, I've had quite a busy day. Anyway, everything's done. As you can see, the wine has sort of disintegrated a bit into a gravyish type sauce. Going to start plating stuff up and going to use a potato masher to get the spuds out. Probably not the best idea, but still. Mike's only had one spud because he's on a diet. Oops, some of them have fell apart. Oh God. Get here, you. Oh. Jesus Christ. Finally, after many failed attempts, I managed to get it. Okay, now try get under the other one without it falling. Okay, so perfect use of a potato masher. Oh God. Okay, going to then do the carrots. Mike, of course, wants 4 carrots. There's 3. One more. There's 4. Oh yeah, get the sieve. I'm gonna shove them there. forgot we had a sieve, guys. Okay, that's that done. Back to dishing up the carrot. Mike did only ask for one spud and one carrot, so he has kind of brought it on himself. If he does complain, of course, I will hit him. Mind you, he has been good on his diet so far, so I'll give him that, guys. I'll give him that. Okay, now time to dish up the main dish. It looks absolutely divine. Going to just round up the spot. Nice scoop full of meat and mushrooms. It looks delicious and it really does smell nice. I can't wait to try it. Okay, that's mine done. What I'm going to do as well is finish the plates up by sprinkling some of the sauce over the potatoes and carrots. And maybe afterwards I'll do my usual thing, bit of bread and soak up the gravy. Let me know if anyone else does that. What was all that about? Okay, give so a bit more meat as well. Looks delicious, guys. Gonna give Mike some more meat as well. He's got enough there. Give myself some more. Just trying to get everything out, make sure each of us has enough food. Of course, some of us are still a bit full up on our breakfast we had this morning at newly refurbished John and Joseph's. If you are wanting to see a review of that, I would recommend going over to Matt Mike's channel to check it out. Okay, this isn't really going to work as I expected. It did sort of look like we had more gravy, but we don't. Oh, I've just thought we were meant to put a beef ox in it. Whoops. Okay, I'm going to get rid of the spoon and just do it the good old-fashioned way. Looks delicious, guys. Then I'll get the mouse, of course, because I mean, I am the chef. Now, here's something for you guys. How do you tell if a restaurant's good? You look at the chef. If he's a fat sod, like myself, of course, the food's good, must be good, because obviously he eats it. He's fat, so we must love his own food. Anyway, guys, everything's plated up. Time for the taste test. Okay, guys, time for the taste test. There you are, Mum. Can't wait to tuck in. Let's get the soup eater first to give it a taste. She's quiet.
It's nice,
But
how much wine did you put in?
a fair bit. Why?
So I didn't really get to taste the wine there. Try another bit. Now I am.
Quick question, is the beef meant to be like a blackish colour? Well, is that
I
because the
don't know.
wine soaked into it?
Not because the wine's soaked in.
Yeah, maybe because the wine soaked in, I'm going to get a bit of mushroom and a bit of the beef as well. Yeah, the beef is got nice, quite tender. Probably does look like it is burnt a bit, but guys, trust me, it is nice. You are getting a bit of the wine taste and a bit of the garlic taste as well, which is mixed into it.
Yeah, the wine's coming through now. The garlic. Mushrooms are lovely in it. Well done.
What would you like it?
You can stop whining about it now then, Sue.
I'll give it a 8 out of 10.
Okay, nice. I'll probably maybe give it a 7.5 out of 10. I mean, I'm not too sure if the beef is meant to be this much of a black colour.
Yes.
Whether I have ever done it or not, I don't know.
Yeah.
But I mean, it is really delicious. Gonna get a bit of my potato, try soak up some of the sauce.
What are you going to do at the end, Marcus?
Delicious. What was I gonna do at the end?
What do you normally do at the end?
Oh yeah then. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you've enjoyed the video. What do I normally do?
That wasn't it, Marcus. What do you normally do with your gravy at the end of a meal?
Oh yeah. I think I will enjoy mopping the gravy up as well, like a bit of bread. Can't wait.
Sauce, not gravy.
Same thing. Anyway guys, thanks for watching the video. Make sure to hit that like, hit the subscribe as well. And I'll see you in next week's episode. Thanks for watching and keep cooking.